bureaucracy. Now it's just a question of how far down that hole are we and how long it'll take to dig our way back out. And that actually makes for a really useful analogy. The idea that this is like a pit that we've fallen into. Or, sorry, into which we are still falling.
Very good.
The rate of descent may have slowed a bit when we got Trump out of office.
Once she was in the role, she immediately resigned, calling for Boris Johnson to resign. It was her second day of the job as education secretary. So Boris Johnson had to appoint a third education secretary in the space of 3 days, which is ironic for a man who has never learned.
2 or 6 months ago, and she had some friends in town because her birthday was on Friday, and they were all, they're all from Texas, so they were like, this is great. They're like, it's so cool, and we were both like, are you what? Can we please go inside?
Why are they waiting? No. It's your turn. Stop trying to be nice. Stupid Seattle drivers.
A few inches later.
And recently, she had talked about this for a long time, but oh my God. Wow. You can always just go around. Yeah, what could possibly go wrong with that? Very good. Pack it in. Okay, I got that.
Last weekend was also very busy in Seattle.
Yeah.
I took a Lyft, and it took me 30 minutes to get from my place to Pioneer Square.
Oh God. Good job.
And at one point I was like, you know what, maybe I'll just get out and walk.
So many good drivers. I love it.
I just don't understand how drivers here are so bad.
For real.
So bad.
For real.
It makes no sense.
We know for a fact, here's some facts that we do know. Jesus lived during the time of Julius Caesar. None of this has anything to do with what I'm asking.
Yeah, Steven.
So I'll give you an example of parallel. There's a story about George Washington cutting down.
Great driving.
And there's a quote attributed to George Washington. And his father asks, "Hey, what happened to the cherry tree?"
Amazing.
He says, "I cannot tell a lie." The answer is that there are denominations of Christianity.
Oh, buddy.
Hello.
What the fuck are you doing?
Barry, him, giving us a call from Europe.
Charlie is,
hey,
what
Barry,
the
it kinda
fuck?
sounds like you got a little stuff going on.
Yo, nice parking. You're in the street. You know, but you do it anyway. Yep. Sure, go ahead. You win. Nice parking spot, asshole. Oh my, really? Good job. This is a great place to turn around.
Do anything he doesn't want to do, man. You know, it's just like, it's really just being an asshole. Like, really, when it comes down to it, if you speak in real terms, it's not about being masculine or not masculine. It's like, are you a fucking asshole or are you a good person? But because of our society, it's
making a turn is scary.
I'm so with you, Tom. I have the same kind of approach to life, and now ultimately, I've settled on some stuff. Like Lydia is just better at some stuff, and I'm better at some stuff that she can't do, and we divide out our work, and some of it, though definitely not all of it, is.
This car is such a good driver.
Found that we've settled into certain
blocking the crosswalk.
Constantly trying to check myself and not fall into that, like, oh, am I just avoiding doing something because I don't like to, and then like she has to do it, and it's actually really hard. Maybe not
great driving
the way you are, but like I think it can be hard for even.
Where the fuck are you going?
If I don't avoid that, he's just going straight to my car. Honestly, what are we doing? Racing or ping pong?
Heroin, I get it. It just doesn't fucking matter. But when it comes to stuff that will matter, I think very often you're talking to the administrator of the school. You know, you're talking to somebody that can make change. And at that point, I think all the gloves are off if people are not willing to make these.
Are you kidding me? Why are you booing me?
My kid gets COVID, brings home COVID to me, and then I pass it on to somebody that's immune compromised.
He is barely my assholes.
That's how we what we're like. Yeah. Talking things not broadcast. We really should have read our contracts. Yeah. Zach, thanks so much for hanging out with us today. And seriously, so we might be able to. Let's go to Evan in Texas. No pronouns given. It sounds like there's plenty of proof of God you've got.
What?
Give us your first one. Give us your best one. We're getting close to the end of the show.
My first one?
Yeah, your best one.
What the fuck?
Proof. You don't need to believe it, but there is. So many times how we are formed.
This person is actually like parked here.
Egg to birth.
That's proof of God?
There's no other proof when it comes to that.
What the shit?
No human could be like, okay, I'm going to take semen and I'm going to make a human.
I mean, we do have right? And again, I'm a layman, I'm definitely not an expert, but my understanding is basically, we take it to egg, we take it to sperm, and then we kind of shove it together, and then it does make it.
No, that's a red light. Wow. Nice turn signal. Just turn right in front of oncoming traffic. Very smart. I'm surprised you didn't get hit. Wrong way, fuckhead.
Right? It's not about the age, it's about the continuity, it's about the consistency of the manuscripts. And if there are multiple manuscripts that have
No.
that presents a problem.
I'm not letting you go.
Right, but the deal, what I'm trying to get at is that
Waiting for this side to clear.
I mean, if you even go to that.
Scream the words, you need to unlock the fucking case. I screamed that like 6 times at the absolute top of my voice. The security guard comes over, and he's one of those guys who's like, he's obviously an ex-cop, or he thinks he's a cop, and he's like, "Sir," and I'm like, "You're not real. You're just a man."
I'm not letting you guys go.
You're not real. You're just a man with a shirt. So finally, my kid decided last night.
Ridiculous. I mean, it's ridiculous. Honestly.
Please, do you have a Furby? And I didn't have a Furby. And I had coworkers who were like, "No, I don't have a fucking Furby. Go fuck yourself." Right? I have been on the other side of that conversation. What I don't know is
we create. Do you feel like we have that for the Earth? Yeah, for the Earth. What would be another bit of criteria? To be honest with you, I don't know. I love that. Kenneth, we have done that a couple of times today. We have you. No. I couldn't even get the guy to
pause to check my blind spot because I know there's a bike coming up. Not letting you in. It's not your turn.
When we're justified in making knowledge claims, like that's the whole
red state. Fucking bury all you stupid assholes in the garbage, sweltering, dirty land of this country. Who cares? But DeSantis? Yeah. Like, he's scared.
Was there a ball rolling down the road?
Like, fucking weirdly popular among a group of people whose minds I
Watch out, Scooter! Watch out! Ah! Flying ball! That's something you don't see every day.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Blue stop sign.
And look, there is a homophobic thing of like, "Oh, you just want to fuck a dude, don't you?" Like it's an insult. But sometimes you really do look at these people and you're like,
light was
"No,
red.
my brother in Christ, you want to."
With all that, just like a quick 30 second.
Go. What are you doing? If you were trying to park, you did not indicate that. You gave me 0 time. Oh my god. Go! Green light.
What is he doing? He's stopping on time.
Jesus. What the fuck are you doing? It's too small for you. Very good. Okay. That was a red light. Fuck all the pedestrians. Go. You don't get to just decide, "Oh, I'm turning left." Good job.
There's a bunch of cool places, fan-run groups for the ACA that you can go do that.
Oh my god, you're gonna turn left from the lane.
I have a
Cool.
it is a I have
Go.
whatever it is, to announce the top 5 patrons.
Unreal. People
y'all are just
think it must be opposite day.
so many awesome ways.
That's what I'm getting at.
They are in order.
Green means stop.
Dingleberry
Red means
Jackson,
go.
Belongs Donkey, DeVore Valjean.
Yeah. Like I have no idea that that's a consumable thing.
5 other people on the table, and they would be rock paper scissors. Right. See who gets the drink.
Andrew Torres would
shit.
fucking guzzle that shit and fucking
I don't know anybody else
luxuriate
except for Andrew, but I don't know anybody else.
They're the only person I know that drinks that.
I know that people send us messages and say, "Oh, I hope they're liars."
They're just nobody likes.
Ray, he brake tested me. What the going on?
Why the fuck did you stop suddenly?
Like that's exactly it. Like that is not a temptation for me, but I get that it's a temptation for other people. The tempting homosexuality. It's like it's only tempting it.
Does it look okay? Yeah, it doesn't feel like it was anything. Pay attention. Traffic goes that way, idiot.